DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? I don't know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. I don't know when time in the lab we are doing, you know, crazy reactions and crazy bangers pound the head tap, you know, gang. And see what we are doing today. Today we there with. I think this gonna be considered the first official drop of this artist. Yeah, man, we there with none other than the teacher, the world boss, the Gaza boss, the king of dancehall. You see me there with none other than Vybz Kartel, the one named Good Like Jesus. Yeah, man, the hardest working dancehall artist. You see me, we can't say that. We can't say that. The hardest working living dancehall artist, we can't say that. Vybz Kartel. You see me, I say, him and Chronicle are hardest working dancehall artist. You see me, I say, yeah, man, this man come out of jail a couple months ago, and this man itching to get back to it. You see me? The man say, like that, say, you think he was school up? No, man, but yeah, man, we there with Vybz Kartel, the one named Good Like Jesus. You see me, we check it out, dog, drop this like 20 minutes ago, gang. You see me, I jump right now, check on our will be vibe much longer. Vybz Kartel, Good Like Jesus. Let's get it.
1, 2, 3, 4, play. Turn your back way and couple more way.
Yes.
Open up wider than the doorway.
Yes, the ladies are gonna love this one. I can't tell that out. Hey!
Blood clot. Hey girl, your pussy good like Jesus. Your pussy good like Jesus. Your pussy tight like traffic on Fridays. Me love to set your back.
This nigga say pussy good like Jesus. First of the Bible, Lord Jesus himself. No man, come in. First was the Bible, this man, God Jesus himself. Vybz Kartel, hey, the world boss, you know, man. Come in.
1, 2, 3, 4, play.
I'm Cesara. Yes.
Now
back we and couple more way. Hey.
Blood clot. Hey girl, your pussy good like Jesus. Your pussy good like Jesus. Your pussy tight like traffic on Fridays. Me love to set your back way and set you
Pull up like traffic on Fridays, but hey.
sideways. Me love you like me love my mother-in-law. Cause if I never she remember, you wouldn't born. Me love you like me love my mother-in-law.
Hey, easy now, remember now. Hey.
Go in your raw. Your pussy small like a little mosquito window.
Yes.
Start after fuck you with me little finger.
Yes.
Body busting at your and never cylinder.
Girl, me she go on so. Yes, mothers, hey. Yes.
That food that make you happy, it make you remember. Your was a virgin, it hard for me enter.
Yes.
Come off me body, so till me body tender. When me say me, you come, you set by your head up.
Remember, you know, make you happy, you know, make you remember the good times, girl. Come here.
Your pussy good like Jesus.
Yes.
Your pussy good like
Hey.
Jesus. Your pussy tight like traffic on
Fridays. Hey, what the traffic on Fridays, girl, them there. Come in.
Me love to set your back way and set you sideways. Me love you like me love my mother-in-law. Cause if I never she remember,
Boy, you wouldn't born. Hey.
born. Me love you like me love my mother-in-law. Now boots me go in your raw.
Hey.
No plan B from me shift your panty. But you say you gon' breathe and the daddy is me. Your pussy prestige and you want my bestie. And you're pretty
Dancehall is back. Talk to them, Vybz Kartel. Come in. Vybz.
Really want to turn you my baby mother. You're pretty, so I want you to give me your daughter. Cause you not have no common as regular nana. Unique like me.
No commoners, no reg. Come in now.
S24 Ultra Charger. Your pussy good like Jesus. Your pussy good like Jesus. Your pussy tight like traffic on Fridays.
Easy no more, I say, come in.
Me love to set your back way and set you sideways. Me love you like me love my mother-in-law. Cause if I never she remember, you wouldn't born. Me love you like me love my mother-in-law.
Yes.
Now boots me go in your raw.
Easy now. And wait, I mean, think I'm seeing that you go to see I want see. I see them that.
For the best visuals,
The world boss,
Vybz
Kartel is back.
Thanks.
I'm telling you, man, he's on himself, man. Yeah, man, the king is back, man. Where the Friday traffic, y'all them there? Time like about Fridays. I want to no man come in man dog and bring back my dancehall. The beat, the melody, the vibes. You see me? Yeah man. The man I bring vibes back in this song. Make the girl them want move again. You see me I say? Yeah man, cause most of the artists say they don't make no tune for the girl. They want make tune about girl. They don't make no tune for the girl them, brother. The girl them move. The girl them get the right. You know what I'm saying? Your Vybz Kartel, the one named Good Light, Jesus, yeah man. The ladies gonna love that man. This is the club bang. The girl them are gonna go wine when this drop. And Vybz Kartel know exactly what he doing. Yeah man, get to the ladies first. You see what going on in the answer right as well. So these niggas ain't making songs with the girl them like, you know, you have the dog, you rat back tune them and the girl and you know what I'm saying, demon tune them for the tune what doing girl them and thing, but the song the girl them are going to where the girl them was blank and done up one place. They song ya, but the girl them wind up themselves and that short man. You see me I say galang bad. You see me I say, yeah man, and that is what we want. We want that one them vibes back in the club. One them they like the daggering days. You see me I say, yeah man, and this is the type of vibe that this track give us. It give us that back in the days, this daggering. Really back in there because I knew rhythm. But yeah, that daggering vibe. Y'all move. Y'all shake. Y'all wind up themselves, man. No lazy body thing, man. No. Y'all being tough like, oh, yo, them on there. Like, what's going on, gangster? Yeah? Y'all in that club are going gangster? What's going on, gangster? Calm down, car. Chill out. You see me? Yeah, man. They ain't tune out. Big up Vybz Kartel, man. That bring back dancehall. You see me? This is what dancehall be sounding like right now. You see me? I say, don't get me on trap dancehall different, but like dancehall, and that is the thing, you know. Dancehall isn't dead. You see me? It's the genre of dancehall that's popular right now. Right now, the genre in dancehall that's popular, so mostly hearing right now is trap dancehall. But regular dancehall is still alive. It's just the damn bombard DJ they now make this regular dancehall. They say Kartel still making it right now. Kartel ain't going into the trap dancehall, which he can. You see me I say, but that's not what he still dropping the regular dancehall. Not I won't say regular, I mean regular, but vibes dancehall. And this is it. And it there. You don't get what I'm saying. Because in dancehall, just like in hip hop, you got different people. You got trap hip hop, you got the boom bap rappers, you got underground. Same thing in the dancehall now. With the internet, you got underground dancehall, you got trap dancehall, you got dancehall. You see me, and it's still popular. It's just that we are most here now, trap dancehall. That's what me can break it out. And Vybz Kartel bringing back regular dancehall, the daggering dancehall. You see what I said? This is what that song sound like, man. Well, yeah, man. Let me know if you agree with my comments. You see me? Say in the comment section. Anyway, yeah. Vybz Kartel, Good Like Jesus. I drop this no phone again. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I don't know. Yeah. Let me know if your power beats, lyrics, melody. Gal them. Gal them. One of your favorite part. I don't know something wrong with you, you know. You see what I say? Yeah. Drop a request so you get your shout out. You don't know what time it is. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.